Meaning of heinously.
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 Heinously. Heinously is an adverb used to describe an action or behavior that is shockingly evil, wicked, or outrageous. It implies an extreme degree of wrongdoing, often associated with acts of violence, cruelty, or extreme malice. When someone acts heinously, they are behaving in a way that is repugnant and destructive towards others, causing immense harm and suffering. The consequences of heinous actions can be devastating and long-lasting, leaving lasting scars on individuals and communities alike. In short, heinous actions are highly reprehensible, and the use of the word heinously underscores the severity of the wrongdoing.